Okay, last time we looked at this example, we found that the limit as x tends to infinity of x plus 1 over x plus 2 is equal to 2. Right, if you didn't watch that video, you should go back and watch it for this example. But let's clean the board and look at a different example. Alright. Now, let us look at the limit as x tends to 0 of the square root of 8x squared plus 3. What is the limit of that? Let's see something. Let's write down a few of the terms and see what would happen. Right? X is tending to 0. In U1, what we have is the square root of 8 times 1 squared plus 3, which is what? 1 squared is 1. 8, 1, 8. The square root of 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. The square root of 11, which is what? 3 point something, whatever it is. U2 is going to be the square root of, now remember, x is tending to 0. So it should get smaller. It's going towards 0. So let's say half. 8 times a half is 0.5 squared plus 3, which is half squared is a quarter, and a quarter by 8. A quarter by 8 gives you 2. Is the square root of 2 plus 3. Square root of 2 plus 3, which is square root of 5. 2 point something, whatever it is. You can work that out with the calculator. Now, it seems as if the answer is getting smaller. This was 3 point something, this 2 point something. Now, as it tends towards 0, what you will have is 8 times 0 cubed plus 3, because the number x, which is the number squared multiplied by x, is getting smaller and smaller, because guess what? This is 0 cubed is 0. 0 by 8 is 0. So it's square root of 3. Alright. Now, as we approach 0, 8 times 0. Right? Now, just before we reach 0, suppose you try a number very, very close to 0 and say 8 times what now? 0.00001 cube, not cube, squared plus 3. What is this? Let's see. Let me get a calculator. 8 times this. So we have 0.1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ones. 1 times 0.00001 equal. Well, this calculator isn't really giving me a good answer. Let me try a different calculator. It's saying 0, but I want something very close to 0. 0.00001 times, I could have just squared 0.00001 squared. Right, this calculator has a square on it. This is also saying 0. It's very small. It's so small, the calculator's here just says 0. Let me try a number which is also small. It's kind of close to 0, but not that close. 0.001. 2 zeros this time. So let me try this one. If I should say 0.001 times 0.001 gives that. 0 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones there. Alright. Now, point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, then 1 times 8 equal 0.00008. Then the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, then 8 plus 3 gives me that. Now what is the square root of this? It's close to 3. Very close to 3. Even though we don't touch the 0 yet, we're very close, we're getting very close to 3. So the thing is, you can see that the limit of this is equal to the square root of 3. The limit of this function is the square root of 3. Alright? That's the limit of that function. You can see that. So, that's it for that. Let's look at another example in the next video.